Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. How we all doing? How we all doing? We just had, what was it? CPI come in? PPI came in. My bad. My bad. I was looking at the charts real quick before starting the stream at 8:30. I was like, oh, damn, what just happened? So core PPI is in, as well as unemployment claims every Thursday. But I don't really trade this hour. Just watching it. It's moving up a little bit. But how we all doing so far this week? Right? Because now I think the last time we did this was on Tuesday. It's like, I hope you had a good week. It's only been Monday. But now we've had 3 days of trading. Lots of lessons yesterday, the day prior. So hopefully you guys are in good shape heading into this Thursday, Friday. We got 2 more streams this week on ASFX TV. So we'll finish it off strong there, but hopefully you guys are all in good shape. Ollie, what's up? Please give me a funded account. You could win one. You could win one on Friday. So yeah, I'm doing a Tradeify giveaway tomorrow on my YouTube channel. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you go over there. It's Evan Dyer. Same thing as my Twitter, my Instagram, all of that. So just go to It's Evan Dyer, and I'll be giving away two Tradeify accounts. I know the screen's small, but let's see. Right here. So make sure you're sub. Let's get to 2,000. Lickety split. Let's get to 2,000 subs, shall we? 1.24K. Let's get to 2. Let's get to 5. And there I am. There I am currently. Kenneth, what's up? How are you? Luigi, good morning as always. But yeah, we got a video going up today as always. There's a video every day except Sundays. If there's no video on any of the other days, I have the video. The thumbnail's just not ready. So it is what it is. But I always got videos. I can show you the back end. Got a video going up today. I already have one tomorrow for the live stream, right? Because you got to be on tomorrow's live stream or like the live premiere of the YouTube video to win the account, because I'm going to announce the winners there in the chat. So again, make sure you subscribe. Otherwise, I can't give you the account. How can I message you if you don't make yourself known? But and then as well as Saturday. And then I'm actually flying to Florida tomorrow. So we'll do the giveaway, and then we'll get on a plane, and then we'll go enjoy a nice sunny week next week in Florida. I'll still be trading. I'll still be streaming. Schedule's the same. But yeah, I'll be in Florida. Sahil, what's up, man? How are you, bro? But yeah, there's that. We got, I think Austin's giving away accounts on his YouTube premiere as well on Saturday, the podcast premiere. Can I check that? Let's see. Yeah, I know he did one last week. I don't know if he's got one this week. I know he's got a giveaway this week. If you haven't seen our episode yet, go see the episode of the Day Trading Show on there as well. He's got a good one coming out. Yeah, this is the Saturday one with Scott Pulcini, the Bookmap wizard. If you've seen his Bookmap, it's quite a trip. But yeah, I think he's giving away accounts on that day. But how we doing? I guess we check out the CPI, the PPI. Come on, Evan. PPI came out negative. Less than previous, less than forecast at 0.0. Unemployment claims is up a little bit. Market doesn't really know what to make of it. Here on the 1 minute here. Got a pin up on the news, and we just traded within it. No follow through after that first minute. No reversal after that first minute. Just sitting within this range of it. Interesting. Who's buzzing me on Discord? I gotta mute these things. It's James. But I mean, one other thing. I had a trade last night. Call me Austin Silver, because I traded, it wasn't even like Asia or London session. It was 7 p.m. Eastern time. I can go over here. It should still be on the charts. Look at this. Big drop overnight. Big drop. But my trade, just this little baby one back here. You guys probably can't even see that. So small. There it is. This is on a... Why is it... No, it's this. It's looking so small. Here it is. Boom. On NQ. So buying it off the bounce off the overnight VWAP. Took profits at the high. And it wasn't the high. It kept going. But then, there she goes. There she tumbles. Oh my lord, there she goes. So that's why, one, I don't like to trade overnight. Or like hold a trade overnight. Just because, I mean, I could have made money. Like, let's say I took this long, I just closed my eyes. I could have made so much money if I closed it up here, if I'm looking at the charts. So, if I'm in the trade, I'm watching it. because then it would just came right down and smoked me, and then maybe a little bit back up, and now we're lower than that price. So just quick scalps. I'm never really going to hold a trade overnight if I don't have to, just because I don't trust where the stop loss should go. That's really it. I don't know the path it wants to take to get to where we're going to wake up to. Summit, what's up as always? Summit, what's your profile picture? The yellow thing? I've never read it, actually, to be honest with you. But I appreciate you. Kenneth, what's up? Keenan literally had the same move, but on S&P. Yeah, I mean, this literally, Austin sends me screenshots almost every night now of the trades he's taking overnight. Or not even overnight. They're literally 10-minute scalps, 15, 20 minutes off like a daily view up bounce here. I'm like, yeah, I get that. It makes sense, but I just don't trust the volume at this time. I mean, it's 7 p.m. But I just don't trust that it's going to respect the daily view up and bounce higher, but it does. I was like, yeah, can't deny it. So I mean, not to plug it or compare it, but this is like out of futures 2.0. If you've seen the course on ASFX TV, this is a bounce play off a key view up trend continuation. So it's just funny that you could still do it at 7 p.m. still in the 1-minute chart, and then even to the downside. You anchor like a lower day view up, take the shorts there. I mean, it runs. It's going. It's working. So I just don't trade this hour. Trade all day, make videos all day. I work all day on it. I ain't trading Asia session. No, thank you. But the news here just chilling. I doubt anyone's in a trade, right? But good morning. What's up, Ratchet? Ratchet? Little double name. But like I mentioned, we got ASFX TV in about 50 minutes. So for anyone that's unfamiliar with it and just tuning in on Twitter, on YouTube, I appreciate you. I'll be hopping over to ASFX TV at the 9:30 mark for New York Open. So if you go to ASFX TV, here's the course. If you just go to ASFX TV, you can see 9:25, right before the New York Open. We'll be streaming as well as tomorrow. We do it every day. But definitely tune into there. If you use my name, code Evan, I'll give you 50% off your first month. But also you can start a free trial before you even do that. But then once you start the free trial, you tune into today's stream, tomorrow's stream. You go through the 2 courses on here as well as check out the replays. You can be like, oh, I want to stick around for next week. Well, then use code Evan, and I'll give you 50% off that first month. And ideally, you take a trade with us today, and you make it all back, and you're positive for like 6 months. You make 6 months worth in one trade. So, speaks for itself. That's all I'll say. But that's where we're going. That's where we're going today. We're just hanging out pre-market here. But March is looking fine. March has recovered a little bit. If you've seen the YouTube video that came out sometime last week, the big old 2.4, it's honestly not even that bad. It sucks, but it's not even like, oh my God, he just wasted 3 months of his life and now he's back to square one. It's just a big max day loss day to 2 accounts. So it was 1.2K per 2 accounts. So it's $1,200. Can I make $1,200 back? Yeah, and I have. So it's only like, I don't want to get in the habit of thinking like this, but it is true. Of like, okay, we're up 1.4K on the month. Nice. We bounced back. We got a 1.8K week this week. Okay, nice. Oh, if only I didn't have that blow up day. Like, I'd be up 4K. I'd be up 3K. Yes, that's true, but throw it out the window because that's not the reality. Nothing we could do. That happened. We move on from it. Don't live in what could have been, what should have been. Nope. We're up. This is where we're at right now. Let's move on and make it better. Right? It would be great if that didn't happen, but shit's gonna happen. It's all about how can we finish this month? You look at the equity curve here. There's plenty of freaking dips, except for in November and December when I didn't lose. But there's dips in there, so it's normal. Kenneth made a quick scalp earlier, but I'm flat. That's my first time watching you on here. I'm on ASFX. Well, welcome on in, Kenneth. I appreciate you being on the streams as well over there. Varun, what's up? What's up? I'm excited to do the giveaway tomorrow on my YouTube channel. I go to my Twitter here. So for anyone that's unfamiliar with the giveaway, I tweeted about it yesterday. Give you guys like 2.5 days notice. I feel like that's good enough. We don't need to be running a giveaway for like a week. Just do it real quick. So I tweeted it out yesterday, giving away 2 accounts on my YouTube. So some of you are watching it there now. So make sure you're subscribed because like I said, if you're not on the YouTube, how the hell am I going to know your name to say, hey, you won? So definitely make sure you're on there. It's at 11 a.m., the live YouTube premiere. I'll be giving away the 2 accounts in the chat as the video is going. So make sure you're subbed. But you also got to like this post so that I could go back and make sure you've seen it. But excited. I just find it so funny. I'm probably gonna tweet it later. That I'm pretty sure, not all of you, but there's a few of you who would name your firstborn son after me if I asked you to, for a chance to win an account. It's crazy how many people love giveaways. It's crazy. I mean, we have people like knocking down the door, like, please give me an account, please, please. Like, just pick me. Don't do a giveaway. Just give it to me. I'm like, oh Lord, how badly do you need this thing? That's like you guys would do some extreme things, I bet, if I listed this in the criteria of like this post, follow me, and name your son after me with proof, with the birth certificate. You say, I did it. Please give it to me. But I wouldn't make you do that. I wouldn't make you do that. But I'm sure there's 2 people out there, 3 people out there that would. Because there's one, I'm not going to go through all these comments because there's too many. But there was one guy, not to shit on him, but unfortunately it's the reality. He was like, I lost all my accounts. And like he showed like the red P&L of it. Of like, I blew up all my accounts. Like I got no more money to buy more accounts. So like, give me the account. I was like, brother, go get a job. If you don't got money to buy another account, you should not be trading. Everyone should have a spare $200 to be able to deploy into an account. That's it. You should. And if you don't, that's unfortunate, but then you should not be trading because this is not going to make you replace that income. You're not going to go from $0 to retiring off this one account that I'm going to give you. So I was like, brother, go get a job. You should not be worrying about winning a giveaway. You should be getting your funds in order and then come back because you're probably going to lose this account I give you because it seems like you're very reliant on this money, that you're trading the P&L very heavily, clearly. I mean, I would trade P&L very heavily if I needed this money to buy food later. I'm going to swing for the fences. I'm going to up the risk. I'm going to take stupid setups. So I was like, you're not ready to trade right now. Go get your affairs in order. Come back when you're ready. Start trading demo, something. I was like, jeez, that sucks. It sucks, but I'm just being honest. Of like, you're not going to be able to trade if you're down to your last dollar. Whoa. Why is there an Evan Dyer in the chat? What the fuck is going on? I'm older. That means you have to change your name. Why do I have to change my name? I'm not winning the giveaway. But that's so weird. That's trippy. I think we had that months ago as well on one of these streams. Like, I don't think it was you though. Maybe it was you. But an Evan Dyer popped in the chat. I did a little double take. Let's go find. Should we go find this guy on Twitter? He's in here. Where's the stream? Better not have anything nasty on the profile. Why can't I see it? Maybe he's on Austin's. Whoa. So when you guys chat, why can't I see it? Is it just on here? What the hell's going on? Keenan, how does S&P look like on a bigger picture? Horrible. Disgusting. I don't know if you guys are watching yourself twice. Let me close that down. Looks horrible. I feel like we could start moving upward a bit. Finally, I mean, first of all, here's PPI. Snooze fest. Going nowhere. But I suppose we could look at the daily. Also, I know you guys are tired of hearing it. What the hell is up with my charts? Why is there a red vertical line? There's almost 400 people in here. One of you better help me fix this. Speak up if you know how to, because it's pissing me off of why is this there? It's just magically appeared this week. I didn't touch nothing. Absolutely nothing. I mean, it was blue and red. I changed the blue. I got rid of that. But now it's like when the markets close at 4:15 to 6 or 7, now it's red. And there's nothing in my settings saying that. This is the candles, there's nothing else red. So if you can fix it, let me know, because it's annoying. But it's only on electronic trading hours. On the regular, we're all good. But anyways, let's go to the daily chart. You think it looks good on the daily for longs? Ugh. Go the continuous contract. What makes you think that? I'm just honest. I would love to see longs come in, but where are we bouncing off of? The September lows? Back here or something? I really don't see much. These VWAPs I have an all-time high on, and then this one's start of year. The blue one's start of year. We're below that. Obviously, we're below all-time high. And then even this start of month one of March, we've been all below it. That one's here in black. I mean, I remember last year, wouldn't have been 20, I think it was the start of last year. Could we do that one? January 2024. What does that look like? I know that was respected well all year. Yes, if we put that one on, last year's January, when we had the decline here, how much was that? We moved down 6%, or way more than that now. But we bounced off that start of year view up. Okay, nice. Followed by a new all-time high. Oh shit, we're crashing. Down 10%. Right to that start of year view up. Nice little bounce. Couldn't make an all-time high from there, right in here. Couldn't make it quite up there. Small pullback, but still higher low. There's the all-time high. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. We're still nice and bullish. Then we just kept creeping higher for all-time highs. And now we've stalled. And now this is like the deeper pullback in terms of like we were maybe making these higher lows. Clearly have taken them out, but we could still build a higher low somewhere around here. I'm just wondering where. Because even that last year's start of the year view up, we're right back at it now. And then we're below all the ones from this year. All that good stuff. So I'd love to see it bounce, but this is it's ugly, but how much are we down? Down 10%. So we're down 10% there. Let's go back to here. What did I say? I know Austin did something like this. 10%. 10%. So let's bounce, huh? Let's bounce. Well, we went over a bunch of stuff on Twitter yesterday about the percentage-wise. Anytime the markets decline 10% or more, the returns of it a year later, 3 years later, and 5 years later, and like they're all positive. That this is still potentially a healthy correction. I just don't know if right now I could say the dip is in and it's over. But I do like the fact that it's right around that last year's start of year view up. Nice inside bar day yesterday to the downside, at least. Right, that was like the first day we didn't take out a previous day's low in quite some time. And then my longs on there, so it's got the arrows. But even today, still inside bar, so it could go either way with that information. Let's go back to the 15. On the 15-minute, heading into the open in about half an hour, what are we liking? Very choppy. Very choppy. Let's go to the MES where there's the indicators on. So yesterday's New York VWAP is above us. We pinned that on the news there. We couldn't hold it overnight here. But we're sitting right at today's overnight VWAP, potentially making a higher low from this Asia low and even yesterday's low. I'd love to find longs maybe up in like the 15s today. If we could break through both of these VWAPs to get alignment. So again, we'll go over all this on AceFX TV in about 30 minutes when we actually look to take these trades live at the open, right? It does no good necessarily predicting all this now that it could just definitely change. We could just sell off here in the next 30 minutes into the open. So we'll read and react, but I'd always like to prefer to find longs pretty rangy since Tuesday. Pretty rangy. Monday was a clean, beautiful day where I decided to go golfing after taking a short up here. Probably got out around there. See you later. But it's all right. And then realistically, yeah, it's just been sideways the rest of this week. Somewhere up there. And this Tuesday low. Pretty rangy. So hopefully we can get out of it one way or another. One thing that we don't really look at too much, or we haven't in a while, yeah, we probably haven't, is the opening week's range, which is Monday and Tuesday's high and low. So that's Monday's is way up there. But then Tuesday's low is way down here, right? So we put that like that. We haven't taken out a side of this week's range that we know we're probably going to. Now, obviously, the obvious answer and the simple answer seems like, oh, we'll go break the bottom because we're just so much closer than going to break this top. But honestly, you never know. But for that, that's where I use Edgeful on the big picture side of things. For the report side, if you go to the opening week range, where are you at? Opening week range. So it's the same thing I just described there. The picture-wise, Monday and Tuesday's high and low. We probably only break one side. So there you go. Let's see what happens. In the last, since it's like a week report, because it's taking in the weeks, let's do a year. 6 months may be too short. But of the past year, so 52 weeks, how many times we've broken only the upside 28 times, only the low 14 times, broke both the high and low 10 times. So 10 times in a full year. That is 10 weeks, but still 20% chance of double breaking. And like a 70 or so, I guess 80% of single breaking. So it's an 80% chance of a single break, but doesn't really give us huge stats on which side is likely to break first. I mean, it would say it breaks to the upside more than the downside, for sure, because it's just been a more so bullish year the past year. So it's tough to predict, but we'll read and react to that. So let's say we could take out today's low, or today we could take out the week's low. It really is saying, well, we probably don't make a new high week now on a Friday because we're not going to double break like that. So could we pin outside it and maybe look for more shorts tomorrow? Who knows? It's not the most crucial report. I don't use it that heavily. I don't use it all the time either. I like to use the intraday ones like the initial balance, the ICT, midnight price, opening range, even gap fill, even. Those are a lot better intraday, quick targets, higher probabilities. So I heavily rely on those. So if you want to, anyone want to sign up for that, there's always links for anything I mentioned on here. There's always links to it in my bio. I actually made a video about it yesterday. Just on like being honest, obviously I'll plug some of my stuff shamelessly of the things that I work with, but like I mentioned, there's a lot of like hidden costs or whatever you want to call it in trading. Of like you got a subscription here, you got the TradingView subscription, you got TradeZilla, you got Bookmap, you got Edgeful, you got the accounts themselves. That honestly, if I can help you out trying to get something a little bit cheaper, I'm gonna try. So like with anyone that I've worked with, I've always tried to get a discount for not just me, but for anybody. Because sometimes I get free stuff. Just being honest. But it's like, okay, well, I like using it. So can we get other people a good deal on this as well? So that's why I like to have a discount code with TradeZilla, with Edgeful, with Tradeify, all of these things. I mean, specifically, Bookmap might be one in the cards as well. Austin uses Bookmap very heavily. Maybe I'll start using it as well. These are just old trades. But who's new in the chat? Who we got? Anyone new tuning in for the first time? Either never seen an A-Spec TV stream, never seen this stream, never seen nothing. Cross Bay, what's up? Limo service. Pick me up, dog. Come on. Come get me. What? Looking at the SEP lows and the fact that we're 10% down already. Yeah. We should have a good stream. We got I think Austin definitely took his payout on Tuesday. And I think he's bounced back even like more on the other accounts that he has as well. So I don't know if he's quite in line for a payout this week, but he's definitely on his way. If you've seen his calendar, it's mighty green. It's very, very green. So we'll definitely keep an eye on that. But I kind of want to swing at it today. So like I mentioned, I'm going to Florida tomorrow. And I will be trading, I will be streaming, I'll be doing everything normal. But it's not exactly normal that my productivity, my everything is just a little bit off when I'm over there, when I'm down there. That's like I don't love to trade. I do it and I do fine. I've never really been burnt. But I mean, to play on the safe side, it's like I'd rather not have to press it. So I'd rather press it this week while I'm in my dojo with the 47 monitors around me, with all that good stuff. So if I could push it today and tomorrow, that way I can go a little bit easier next week. Maybe we'll do that. But I think I'll push it next week as well. I'm just lying. Because I'm gonna see everybody trading. I'm like, okay, yeah, I'll trade too. What am I saying? But we got PPI moving up here. I mean, so like I mentioned, one of the best reports I like to look at is the midnight price. So in terms of that, probably below, we're right at it. Midnight price is kind of weird today, kind of floating in the middle here. Let's turn off the open range for now. Turn it back on once the open comes in. And no one wants to speak up about this red stuff on my chart. Really? I thought you guys were friends. It's fucked up, honestly. Fine. You just gotta look at it too then. We'll both stare at it together. But this midnight price below us, I literally just anchored to the open candle of midnight, 00 Eastern time. That's as simple as it gets. We're set. There's 30 minutes left, so it could change. But we're set to open above it right now. So however high above it we do open up, I'll measure it, and I'll get a nice strong or not strong probability on the likelihood we go back and engage it. So simple. It's either going to create a strong target of, okay, maybe don't chase the longs here at the open because there's like an 80% chance we want to go down here. Let me hold off. Or maybe there's like a 27% chance we want to come down here. All right, cool. I'll find the longs. Right? So I don't measure it yet just because it's going to change the next 30 minutes. So I'll keep you guys posted on that on stream as always. Give you guys all the numbers. Crazy he got approved before the IB for his payout. Yeah, that is crazy. We got Keenan, I know it has something to do with electronic versus regular, but why is it showing it? Why it's not on my regular trading hours? It's showing the electronic only. But if I go like this, because I know you guys really give a shit about this stuff. Where was it? Was it this? No. No. Symbol. It was this. On the settings, symbol. On the electronic trading hours background, right? There it is. There's the blue. That's what we were first seeing in the beginning of the week. I said, get rid of that. So turn it to 0. But why is the red still there? Right, if I change to regular, there she goes. Whatever. Figure it out. Just smash my computer and buy a new one. Hopefully it sets up differently on the new one. But we could talk about one thing that was super interesting. I was on a coaching call yesterday for the Blackstreet Club. And one of our guys took, I think, $11,000 payout, which was huge. Big W's for him to begin with. And he was leaving a $37,000 buffer in there. So he took well less than 50%, right, for the payout. But the thing that really interested me, and I'm not making this up, he said it took like 32 days to get the payout. Now, that's absurd. When you talk about Austin initiated it on Tuesday morning on stream, got paid out by the end of the hour. Before initial balance was set at 10:30, he got paid. That's an hour. Even if it took a day, I'd love that. When I took my 3 payouts in January at the Dallas event, I took the 2 payouts. They hit by the end of the weekend. And I cleared 1 XFA, so I cleared the entire account. That one took a little bit longer, but that one took more research of like the risk manager had to ask me like, are you sure you want to take it all? You're going to lose the account. I'm like, yeah, give it to me. So that one, understandable, I guess. It takes a little bit longer because you don't just do like a normal payout. You got to like email them saying, hey, I want it all. I got my 30 days, XYZ. So understandable, but 32 days? And they said like he wasn't even necessarily pissed about that because thankfully for him, he's not dependent on the money of like needing it. But I was like, well, imagine if you were. Like, imagine if you did somewhat need it and you got to wait 30 days. That's absurd. But anyways, he said he didn't need it. So he was fine with that. But the thing that pissed him off was just like the communication. He said like they were very like fluff bullshit responses of like, why is it taking so long and all these different things. So very, very concerning. But that's not with Tradeify. That was with TopStep. So take that as you will. But that was crazy. It's like 32 days. How many emails did they send you like in between? Like were they in constant contact of why it was happening so long and what was the reasoning? And I was at first thinking it was because like they cracked down on the rules a little bit of like making sure you're not hedging, changing your strategy, all this. But he said it was like 6 weeks ago. I was like, I don't know if those were out 6 weeks ago. Maybe they were. But regardless, I was like, no one should have to wait 32 days for their payout to hit. I was like, maybe because it's 11,000, but that's a bullshit answer. Doesn't matter how much it is. Give him his money. And then now, since he said he had this XFA for like 9 months, so he's also going to clear the XFA out because he's clearly got the 30 days if he's been trading it for almost 9 months. So he's going to take the $11,000 payout. He took that, and now he's going to be taking the 37,000 XFA, just clearing it. So Nick's a baller. Nick's a baller for sure. So hopefully that gets cleared, no problem. I mean, there shouldn't be any problem with that. He's a savage, and he also trades like 20 Apex accounts. But yeah, he's crushing it in the BSC. I think yesterday alone, or this week alone, he's up like $5,000, and he trades personal capital. I mean, he's just going crazy over here. But we got about 20 minutes or so until stream. 20 minutes. So just go to ASFX TV. Oh yeah, there it is. Use code Evan for 50% off. Start the free trial. You can tune into today's stream, tomorrow's stream. Check out the courses over the weekend. And even honestly, if you missed Monday and Tuesday's stream, yesterday was good as well. But specifically, I'd say Monday and Tuesday, when Austin was, like he said, putting on a masterclass of his scalps. Yesterday was crazier, I think, probably than Mondays or Tuesdays. Just because, like, Tuesday was, like, in trend, that nice trades. Yesterday, like, he was going counter trend kind of, but scalping his way into money. So definitely want to see the live trades on stream. But if you miss them, definitely go check out the replays because those two were crazy. But yeah, we got James should be tuning in today as well, and then Zach will take over at 11. So I mean, you can see it here. Let me go back to that on the catalog side of things. On the replay, 2.5 hours of streams now. So it's very, very. If you can't make the first 30 minutes or so, you're not like, oh well. You can tune in at any time, and we'll be doing something, finding something. But yeah, we're moving up here. 20 minutes into the open. I love to find longs today. You know that. But I've been saying that every day. So we could quickly pivot to shorts if it's telling me that as well. I mean, like, if we just imagine we reject this price here pre-market into the open, we get back below, back into like the 80s here on ES. Well, then I'll have a VWAP alignment to the downside very quickly. So it's not like it's going to take a lot to make me want to sell it. It could very quickly be VWAP alignment to the downside again. Or just as easily VWAP alignment to the upside, you know? I wonder, now thinking about it, talking about VWAP alignment, if I'd want to find longs, I'd like to be above the black and the blue. But how the yesterday's New York is above our daily VWAP, that's nice and short. Right, if price action is below both of those. But I'm wondering, though, even though we are VWAP alignment to the upside, if we can push up here, the yesterday's New York is above the daily. I wonder if that's a little less good. That I'd rather the yesterday's VWAP be below today's daily. That means we're really been moving higher. But I don't know. But we'll see. What do we got? You guys see we got the players this weekend. Huge. But no Tiger. Tiger ruptured his Achilles. I think he's done forever, unfortunately. Not my goat. Who is this? This link or whatever. Got some good posts. Always make me laugh. There's one this morning. Jeez. Post like every 30 minutes. I can't even find the one that I found. Damn. Well, then never mind. 175,000 posts. Yeesh. All right. Whatever. Too hard to find. But who's coming on stream today? Who's tuning in? We probably have... Yeah, we probably been having a lot of people here, already members, but there's definitely people not talking in the chat who are not signed up. And there's no reason not to. You can start a free trial. Literal free. And then if you want to stay, which I know you're going to want to, 50% off. Just use my name. Kenneth is. Nice. Nice. I mean, I honestly don't know why you wouldn't. I was telling that to Austin because we had that webinar on Saturday as well. And I was like, I can understand like a little bit if they're a little skeptical I was like, I don't know. Am I gonna make my money back? Is it gonna be worth it? I was like, it's free. If something's free, I sign up for it. As long as it's literally free. It's not like, oh yeah, start a trial, we'll put your card in and we'll fuck you later. I was like, if it's like, oh yeah, sign up for free to get access to this, like for instance, there's like this streaming service that we're on. Before we started on it, it's like upgrade to premium for free to test it out. I was like, oh yeah, let's see what they offer. Like, what are the free thing? What are the paid things that I can get? And then maybe I'll stay if they're cool. So like, if it's free, I feel like it's a no brainer. But to each their own, I suppose. That's yeah. When money becomes an issue or comes into the equation, yeah, people are gonna get hesitant. That's understandable. But I was like, free. Just tune in. If you hate it, never show up again. No skin, nothing. Okay, that's fine. But to never try it's crazy. Luigi got a morning shift today. He'll be tuning in for 30 minutes. I mean, yeah, whatever you could do, we'll find something. And then, as always, got the YouTube video going up today at 11. The giveaway tomorrow at 11 on my YouTube. Austin's running the giveaway this weekend as well. I think I just saw that Real Deal Zach is running one as well. So there's giveaways out the ass this week. So hopefully you guys have a good chance of winning something across all of them. Yeah. Now let's have a good week. Let's finish the week strong. Like I said, I'll be away next week. Still working, but I'd like to make a nice dent this week so I don't have to trade super heavy next week. Just because I don't do it all that well. The chair's uncomfortable there. I'm on a laptop. Monitor is weird. So it is what it is. But if anyone's from the Miami, Fort Lauderdale area, give me some info on where to go, where to eat, where to not go, all that good stuff. Oh, Cross Bay, you're Mo? Nice. I would have never guessed that with your YouTube name. Anyone on here who's not on Asphyx TV is really missing out. That's true. It is true. But we'll just keep making money together, Mo. You know, I can't want them to make money more than I want myself to make money, you know? So we'll just keep taking trades together. We'll keep eating. But then people don't want to tune in. Doesn't hurt my trading. So we live, we move forward. But hopefully it's not a slow day. If it's slow, let's see, what do I got today? I got a few calls. But if it's slow, I really don't want to be trading in the afternoon anymore. Just recently. Yeah, I got a haircut later. Forgot about that. I mean, you could just look at yesterday's finish. What the hell? No new high or low made after like 11:15. Just chopped within here. So if I don't have to trade in the afternoon, I'd prefer not to. On any of these days. On the same Tuesday, we found nice shorts at the open, lower highs and lower lows. If you show up at like 1:30, it rips your face off to the upside. You could try to capitalize on that for sure. But Monday was really the only day where it's like, okay, the bias is clearly bearish. Let me go take a lunch break. I'll come back later and find more shorts. And you're like, yeah, you can come back later and find more shorts. But a lot of the days recently are like reversing what had been happening here at the open. On Friday, finding nice shorts, 12 o'clock comes in, rips your face off. So if you can make your money at the open with us, with me, James, Austin, or Zach, because Zach's at like 11, you're going to find one or two. You're going to find some trades within that first 2-3 hours. So if you could end green like that, no problem calling it a day there. Right? Even if it's like, oh, but you could have made more later on. It's like, I also could have lost way more because this market has been very sporadic in the afternoon. I don't want to have to predict or guess what's going to happen. Is this going to be one of the days that follows through? Or is this going to turn into the days that's been chopping? I don't know. I don't care because I'm up on my day and I'm off. That's how it should be. I don't want to even stick around and trade all day. What the hell? I'm here at 8 o'clock since this stream. Why would I want to still be trading at 3 o'clock? What the hell? No. My brain would be fried. So quick decisions, make some money at the open. First hour and a half, let the initial balance set. Nothing clean? Okay. Lunchtime it is. Maybe we'll check back this afternoon. Himanshu, how to know your previous results, like win rate, etc. I mean, you can check out my YouTube channel. I don't really talk about my win rate. I just talk about, I guess technically all time, to 65, 448 to 340. I don't even really talk about that. I'd rather the day win percentage here of 140 winning days to 27 losing days, right? Win rate's going to fluctuate, but as long as I could, this is not a good example. 2.7K, that's too big of a red day. But going back to last month, losing 400, losing 175, and then I'll make various amounts, Sometimes I'll hammer it, sometimes I'll ease off it. 1 trade, 2 trade. Just end the day green, stack green days, take payouts. But win rate, let's see. I don't even know. Year to date, what are we cooking with? 75 since January. Up 14 grand. 90% day win rate. Look at, oh shit. 30 to 3. Damn, but if anyone caught that here above my head, look at that freaking bar. That's going to be a killer. That's a big bar, huh? Damn. But we're still in good shape. We're still fine. Everybody relax. This is what we don't want to have this year. Let's have that one be the last one, huh? Shall we? But I mean, the last time that's happened was literally September of last year. So hopefully I'm not due for another 6 months. But I mean, Himanshu, you could always join for free. Join the free trial. Check out the courses. I have the strategy that I'm trading here. You can go watch it for free on the free trial. If you like it, keep trading it. If you don't like it, see you later, I guess, unfortunately. But I don't think you'll not like it. I mean, you even go to Trustpilot, ASFX. This goes for anybody. Speaks for itself. I don't need to speak about it. Just go to ASFX, 317 reviews, 4.8 star. They mentioned the free course, the paid course. How can we see the most recent one? Kai, 20 hours ago. I didn't even read this. That's a lot. Come on. There I am. Immediately. Thank you, Kai. Thanks, dog. I'll read this after stream. But let's see. Evan Dyer was my coach I worked with throughout the program. We had one-on-one calls. Never did I feel like he was trying to rush through calls. Never. He was always fully transparent. Yes, sir. Ton of knowledge. Had the results to back it up. Dang. So I happened to be working with him on his 27-day win streak, so it was awesome to see. Yeah. That was a sight to see. Yeah. You're welcome, Kai. Thank you. And we got Nick Jocelyn, the one that I just said, oh my God, last month, 16K, Josh. Relax. I didn't even read this one either. 3 days ago. I'll have to read these. But just go read them for yourself. Connor, Jason, Hendrick. My first day I passed my account. Damn, Hendrick. Damn. Kendrick here. That's crazy. Waylon, my boy Waylon. Beautiful. Charles, I should say. Customer. That one's sketchy. Who's customer? Keeping anonymous, huh? I like it. But yeah, go read them. If you want. I like to read them. Abby, Clayton. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What was the day you made that video about? Was that the day you made the video about, Keenan, the red day? My red day, that big red bar? Yeah, probably. I mean, yeah. It's going to have to be that one. If you got, let's see. It was this one. Lost 2.5. Yep. There's that day. This one came out yesterday. Right. But I could show you in the back end, but no. What's today's? You can go over here. Today, there's the videos. We got 3 just stocked up, ready to go, ready to fire off. Boom, boom, boom. 3 videos. We got today, we got Friday, we got Saturday. I'm good. And then we'll have more Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So today's about literally, you're going to really enjoy it, honestly, because it's just the markup. Not too in depth, but just showing the pattern over and over of just how simple it could be. If you're going to take one tip from me, take this one, the video today. All right. But we got stream in about 5 minutes. Like I said, it's the last chance. You can tune in whenever, but 5 minutes or so, we're going to hop on over to ASFX TV. We'll trade for an hour and a half. Zach will come on at 11, take you guys through noon or so. So we got plenty of time to find trades. We got today. We got tomorrow. The news is already set in today. We had the PPI pre-market. Anything else? We got GDP tomorrow. Oh, yeah, tomorrow at 3 a.m. No, never mind. That's for GBP. Don't care about them. Sorry. But we got consumer sentiment tomorrow at 10 a.m. But other than that, we're done with news today. We'll find some more trades tomorrow. So if you guys tune in with code Evan, like it says on the bottom there, check out the streams, check out the courses this weekend as well. Let's have a good week. Let's finish it off strong, shall we? We'll be patient in the first 10 minutes. For anyone that's also wondering, I'm not going to be in a trade in 15 minutes from now. So if that's what you're looking for, why do I have to rush? I normally wait for that 15-minute open range to be set. I mean, like I mentioned, you look at the chart here, I can see it going either way. The open's going to be pretty telling. You know, if we could take out these highs and head back towards the high of day, longs might be in the cards. If we just quickly reject this level and sell off here at the open, we'll be right near low of day. We could look for shorts today. So I don't have a strong bias, so we'll have to see. It's an inside bar day. I'd really like to see us get outside. I think 85% of the time they turn into an outside bar day. I think yesterday, I guess, technically became outside, right, with that pin. So that fits the stats. So we're going to move somewhere today. Now let's just try to read and react, squeeze some money out of the market, move on with our day. Alrighty. Can I trade NAS in your live? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I mean, I trade NQ. But yeah, you could trade NAS if you're saying you don't trade futures. Yeah, absolutely. Still applies. I mean, Luigi, he doesn't really trade the VWAP strategy per se, but yeah, he'll trade NAS and CFDs. But we'll have a look. I've been trading NQ pretty heavily recently for whatever reason. It excites me. But I appreciate everyone tuning in. See you guys on stream, AceFX TV. In a couple minutes, go grab a coffee, go to the bathroom, go yell at yourself in the mirror, hype yourself up, do whatever you got to do to get ready for the stream, and let's make some money. All right? I appreciate you guys tuning in as always. We're not going to do this tomorrow. We'll be back at it next week, most likely. I'll keep you guys posted on that. Like I said, I'll be traveling to Florida. So hit me up if you're around there and you guys have any recommendations for me. Be looking at some places down there. Hey-ho. Yes, sir. You heard that right. Looking at places down there. So let me know where to not live and where to live. No, I don't want to be your neighbor. But something. Alrighty. Beautiful. Happy Thursday, everybody. Let's have a great day. Like I said, let me know if you need me. DMs are always open. YouTube comments are always open. If you guys want to get in touch with me, you guys can easily get in touch with me. So if you have any questions or about anything, always feel free to reach out. If you need a discount, I could always help you guys with the link in my bio. Or if you want to DM me directly, I'll send you in the right direction before you pay full price for something that you don't need to. Alrighty? Let's have a good day.